Howdy folks, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to finally take this for a rip. The kids rode it around and it wasn't running right, so I swapped the carbs around. I put the old one on it. Same results. I took the valves and relashed them and set the points again. Didn't make a bit of difference. And so I took the new Chinese carb apart and it was clean in there. I just blew through all the passages and it actually started working. So I don't know if there was just some crap in there from when they made it, but it works. I think I still gotta move the needle up one more click. You know, there's a little you move the clip up or down. I moved it up one and it ran better, and then I moved it up another one and it runs a lot better. So I think I just need to move it up one more. I got a GoPro set up on here, so let's get set up and we'll go for a rip. Oh, and I got to get a tire for my truck. Well, rims. I got to put different rims on it now, because one of the original rims got a big old crack in the rim. I don't know if you can see it on here. If I can turn it. Yeah, that big old crack. So that's no good. So I'm gonna put it up on I had these rims. They need to be cleaned up, but I'm gonna put it up on these 20s. I'll just clean them up and have my tires put back on those. I usually run those ones in the summer, but they're getting a little too dry rotted, so might as well just put my tires on it and run those rims. Alright, let me get guys set up and we'll go for a little rip. Alright, let's see if she'll fire up. Well, guys, I think that's going to wrap this one up. Runs and rides pretty good. I'll try to merge the two videos together and see if we can get a couple different angles of it. But needs a side cover still. That's the only missing piece, really. Could use a new fender or two. But from what we started with, I think we did pretty good. You know, you can only try. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. We put a couple $100 into it and got a dirt bike out of it. It was like a $300 dirt bike. Not too bad. Anyways, make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.